look, somebody else found my honey hole. This piece of, like, looks like threaded piece of bar or something. You tell me they couldn't have folded this in half and stuck it in their trunk? Come on, guys, take your stuff with you. For Pete's sake. I ain't your mama, I shouldn't have to clean up after you. Wow, does this water look greener today and less visible than usual? First time I was here, it was not this green. But today, I mean, the other side, I just assumed the other side was maybe a little greener because nobody did anything over there, but you never know. I don't know if that's going to come up, but I'm definitely going over some grading, almost like those little frame brackets, those wire brackets that I was pulling over earlier. That's what it feels like I'm skimming across right now. Yeah, they're in the car. Oh look, a master lock. And what would be a complete day of magnet fishing without a spark plug? Pulled out a car spring.
That's neat. I've seen someone do that before.
Yeah?
I think it was near the ocean somewhere.
Yeah. One guy had a guest person on. They did it for the first time. Hooked a dead shark by the hook that was stuck in its mouth.
Oh, have a nice day.
You too, man. The hole's dead. No, not totally dead. What entire hooties? A solid piece of bent bar. Almost looks like it might be a tent spoke, but it's kind of thick. There's no sharp edge. I mean, yeah, you could definitely get that in the ground for one. It's a junker pile. There you go, sugar. Short throw. Did I really? I think I threw right on top of something. Something just jumped on my magnet. What? No. Okay, that's some kind of really cool looking clamp. I really have no idea. If you think you do, drop it in the comments. I'm gonna have to Google pick that and see if it'll tell me what it is. We're gonna throw that in the keeper bucket because I'm gonna check that out. And then this almost looks like a fog light harness for a car. I could be wrong. Tell me what you think it is. I'm gonna keep that for picture purposes and then it's a junker. Is there more of a car in here than we actually think? Stay tuned to find out. Ooh, okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but straight down from me, I'm hooked on something. started to come up and then it slipped off. If it's another one of those light pole tops, I'm not going to be able to get it. Oh, I got a bunch of smuts on here. That might be... Oh no, I got it up. Here we go. Piece of pipe. Oh! See how black that mud is in there. Oh, and if you could only smell it, guys. If you could only smell it. I thought it was bad when I had to get in the water on the other side, but that's pretty ripe. Gonna clean that up, see if I can figure out what that is. If you already know what it is, feel free to all right, where was I? Right here, I think. Something just flopped and jumped. Ugh. Looks like an exhaust pipe. There's the U-clamp. Looks like the mount that goes to the car. All right, new spot, and rope's a little tangled up, so let's see if it unknots on the way up. Look how beautiful this all is. Oh, there's a knot. Nothing like a nice summer breeze. That wasn't not too bad this time. I somehow did not expect my magnet to be that clean. Especially with all the fishing. Nice cat. No, I'm actually surprised there's like nothing. Right, I bet if I got closer to shore I'd probably find lures and stuff, but I really expected like where the boats come through to find something. Yeah, I don't like to disturb the fishing areas though. Oh, I'm sure. The top of an electrical pole? Haven't found any yet. Probably next Saturday when I go out to John Dingle Park. Found a rock. Threw it right over that metal seawall. There it is. Well, I already know what I got to do to get that back. Actually, if you go back over there, I'll just... Oh! I was trying to get next to it on this side of it so I could skim this way. You want gloves? It's 2,200 pounds, man. You're better off getting on the other side over there and just yanking it.
Here, give me.
No, it doesn't weigh that much. That's how much pulling force it has.
Oh, okay.
It's on there. If I have to, I'll disconnect it from the bridge. It's the second time I got my magnet stuck today. The first time I had to go in the water. There you go. You all right?
You want to just throw it over here?
Just pull it through, see if you get any lures.
That one, man.
What's he get with his first catch, guys? Yeah, I got like a just under 4. Better than my first throw. I was really hoping you were going to get a lure out of that. Wow, you actually threw it on something, but it came right off. Hey, a bottle cap. I'd say, do you want to guess what it is? But it's illegible. It's got brown and black on it. Eh.